Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am my artist friends. In today's video I'm going to try to recreate this artwork here. I've made this one in 2020 and I really like this one, and someone asked if I can do a video about it on Patreon, so that's why you have here a video on YouTube. And yeah, I was planning to do some more artwork like this. I thought I will do a full video about this. So here I'm working on paper. These days I have lots of painting to do on paper, so that's why I'm working on paper. I will use my little bottle of water and acrylic paint and some gold leaf as usual. So for this painting I'm going to use some white, some quinacridone pink, some raw sienna, some black, and burnt umber, and a tiny bit of blue at the end just to give it some new color to the painting and some glazing to the painting, some transparency. So yeah, this video will be a time lapse. If you want to see the full tutorial with all of the real-time explanation, I'm going to link down in the description my Patreon page where you can subscribe and have access to all of my videos, all of the tutorials and course about how to paint mineral art and how to apply gold, and yeah, many tutorials. So I'm starting here with my background coats of colors. I tried to make it simple, and yeah, I will do few coats more on top of it. So yeah, the only thing that I do is I try to not have as many brushstrokes showing. So my first coat of paint is dry. Now I'm going to play with darker color and brighter color, and at the end I'm going to apply white cracks and details. So now I'm focusing on the geode part and some of the details on the other part, upper part, sorry. And yeah, I try to keep my paint from drying and put a little container with water, and I spray water onto my paint just so my paint won't dry when I let my paint dry on my painting. Sorry, this was a long phrase. But yeah, here I'm adding a little bit of raw sienna and burnt umber. I'm just glazing with a dry brush and some watery paint. And here you can see that I'm adding the white little cracks and little details. It adds really so much to the painting. It adds details, it adds transparency. And yeah, here you see that I'm adding a little bit of teal blue, and I really like the contrast between this blue and the brown and the pink. Yeah, I really like this combo of colors. Here I'm using directly my white. You will need to do multiple coats if you use white, because with acrylics sometimes white is not as opaque and saturated, so you really need to apply as many coats as you can so you have a bright white. Here you can see that I've messed up the down part of the geode, and I'm going to repaint on it, sorry. But yeah, so here is the finished painting. Now I'm going to apply my gold leaf. So as usual, I'm going to use my gilding paste. This is the gold leaf glue. I'm going to apply it a thin coat on my 3D design, then let it dry for 15 minutes. And now I can apply my gold leaf on top. I'm going to put some links if you're interested buying the leaves and the gold leaf glue. But yeah, you really need to take your time and clean everything before applying the varnish. This time I'm going to apply 2 coats of spray varnish. This is the glossy one, and before that I'm going to clean everything, sign my work, and then apply my varnish, and we'll be right back for the full result. And here is my painting done. So I've cut this one in a perfect square, and then I can frame it or glue it on a canvas or on a wood board. Yeah, I really like working on paper. Look at that shine and the gold and the blue and the pink. I really like this one. Feel free to like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video. I wish you all a great day and see you. Bye. Bye guys.